Hey guys, it's MrSQLife here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is very exciting only because I will be unboxing two portable chargers. So as you can see, the background is still on my Samsung UHD TV box, so I do apologize, but this has been filmed a couple of days after the unboxing of the TV, and if you haven't already checked, please check out the video. Before we start, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Let's get cracking. Fun fact, I've never ever owned any portable chargers before. So I saw this deal on Hot Deals UK. Hot Deals UK is an app where listings are added for discount prices, and this one was very tempting, and you wouldn't believe both of these chargers were for £13, which is unbelievable. And with having an S20, a Samsung S20, the battery does seem to drain quite quicker than I thought it would, which is slightly disappointing, and I have to charge it more than once per day. Therefore, I decided it's best if I pick up a portable charger, especially at a price at £13 for two. It's a bargain. Stick around and we'll unbox these now. So we'll make a start off with the first power bank or portable charger. So this one is by the brand Mophie. I've never heard of that brand, but okay. So we'll just look at the first part of the box at the top. So it says it's 1X extra battery. It's a USB charge port, and it is the #1 external battery brand in the US. Okay, and then at the bottom it says Power Boost Mini, and it consists of a 2600 milliamp portable battery charger, which is great. Moving on to the back of the battery pack. So reading, it says it's the again #1 external battery brand in the US. It's got a USB charge port. It also has an LED indicator, and it also has a 2-year warranty, which is brilliant. In terms of extra battery, so it mentions here that for a smartphone it consists of 12 hours of battery life. For a small tablet it's 3 hours, and for a large tablet it's 2.5 hours, which is brilliant. And in the box it just mentions that it holds the portable battery and also a micro USB cable. Let's have a look at the next portable charger before we unbox both of them together. So the next one is a Altigo branded battery, and I'm not sure of this brand either. I've never heard of it, but as you can see from the front, all it mentions is Altigo. It's very plain, very basic, very clean, which is good. So if we just flip it around, here it says quality certified, advanced battery technology, and it has a 2-year guarantee. So what we'll do is we'll start off with the unboxing of this item first, only because this has the highest milliamp battery, which we will find out in a second. So after taking the sleeve off, you are then presented with another box, and at the front it says Endure portable charger plus 20K. So the milliamp battery in this portable charger is 20,000, which is huge, and the fact that I've just paid £13 for actually two chargers with very high capacity is phenomenal to me. So we'll just have a quick look around the box. So just at the back, it's very basic. It doesn't give much information, but it's just around the company. So let's proceed to unbox this one then. So just reviewing the sleeve, it has the image of the portable battery, additional text that shows you the information in terms of the cables, the power LED indicator, the power inputs, and then it says extra battery when you need it. So for large tablets it's 39 hours, for Bluetooth speakers is 83 plus hours, and for a smartphone that's 89 plus hours. That is amazing. And then over here just has like a smiley face or a winky face, and it says happy, shout it out, and follow their social media. Excellent packaging actually. At least it gives you a demonstration of what to expect inside. But you'll notice here from the image that it has 2 connected wires. So these do not come off, these will always be there. But I assume you could always use an external one here if you had to use it. But we'll have a look now. Okay, so inside you're presented with the little booklet. So I guess that's just instructions. And then here you have it. This is the main device. Okay, great packaging. So you've got the charger here. Oh, it's a fingerprint magnet as well. And then you also have the micro USB wire. So we'll just move that to a side. And then again, just packaging really. And then another leaflet here. just asking to follow their social media if we're happy, or if we're sad, to submit some sort of email or contact support, which is fine, I suppose. And then you've got the extended warranty with the Altigo, and again the social media information. So just having a quick look at the aesthetics of the actual battery and the view of it. So basically you've got this nice silver finish at the front with the Altigo logo, and then on the sides you've got like this black matte like finish, which is actually, the texture is very nice. As you can see from the front, it's got the LED indicators there with the power button, and then at the top you've got this very nice feel here, and as you can tell from the quality of the video, you can see the actual design. And then you've got your two power cable inputs, so you got USB-C and your micro USB, and then at the back again it's with another silver finish, and then you've got the battery icon there. All around it's just silver, and then at the bottom it's just information about the battery and the information of the company, etc. But here is what the trick is that the two wires that are attached to the battery are right here. So what I'm going to do now is just going to pull these out. So there you have it. So these two are the wires that actually come out and attached to the battery as well. So you will never be able to take these out. They will always be attached. Now, some people may not like this, but I actually prefer this because they're always with you if you need any of the two types of chargers. That is quite convenient for me as well. And they're easily able to just, you know, put them back in if you needed to. They just go in easily. So that's what I really like about that. It is heavy. It does pack a bit of weight to it, but for a 20,000 mAh battery, I don't see what you would get from a lighter version. I don't know if there's any, because as you know, this is my first ever portable battery, so I'm really psyched about it by using it, and I probably will be carrying this around. I guess it will prove useful for me, and I will then explain or provide opinion on if it does, you know, pack the punch and it does really hold up. So that's the unboxing of the Altigo version of the 20,000 milliamp battery, which I hope will prove useful for me. Let's see if it actually charges the items that I want it to charge, and let's see how these light up. So the next test that I want to see is how these indicators light up and when I press the button. So I want to see how it lights up. And obviously this will need to go through a full steam charge before I can start using on any devices. Obviously I will need to power up the battery in order to make full use of it. So let's just pop the charger in, and as you can see I'm using a USB type C to charge it. This is the same wire as my Samsung S20, so the official Samsung wire, and I'm going to plug it in to the USB-C port. Yep, so as you can see, the battery is powering up and the LED indicator is actually white, and I assume the indicators will show the level of battery that needs charging up. So I guess when it reaches to this level, it is full, and from when I'm fully charged it and I'm using it without the charger, of course, these will then help me indicate how much battery power I have left. I have actually seen other portable battery chargers with like LED screens which tells you how much percentage you have. That would also be ideal if it actually came with this, but only time will tell how well this actually functions for me. So yeah, it's a nice view in terms of to see how much battery power I've got left, and hopefully this will help me. Let's move on to the next unboxing. Okay, so there we have it. So as you can see, it is a kind of smallish portable battery. It comes with the micro USB wire, and the color of the charger is white, and at the back you've got the guide, I assume. Yep, and it just says stay powerful. Okay, so okay, it's like a sticky. Wow, that's a lot of stick. Okay, and it just says power boost at the front, quick start guide, and Okay, yeah, we know what to do, so we're okay. Yeah, we're okay. So just taking that out now from the plastic. So just then looking at the aesthetics, so you've got your USB power, and you've also got a micro USB cable. So this will just go in there and use it for micro USB. So it will also work if you've got a mini USB cable from one end to the other, or if you just want to use it plainly for a USB type wire, that will also work. Then you've also got the Mophie sign on the side, and then you've also got the LED indicators. Again, this will probably need a charge. Yes, it will. But one thing's fascinating to just point out, that this is just micro USB. It's not the USB-C type. So if you need to use USB-C, you will need to have it from a USB front end, and the other end will need to be a USB-C. But again, this battery amp is only 2,600, so it may not last you all day, but with the promise that they've put you there from a smartphone perspective for 12 hours, this is still ideal. So if you're walking out the home with a full charge anyway, that should hopefully last you for like 5 to 6 hours. If not, then this will help you to boost your battery back up. Again, I will need to fully charge this up in order to work out how well this actually performs, but let's power this up and see the LED indicator. Okay, so now that the wrapper is off, I'm going to charge this power amp battery with the micro USB cable. So I'm just going to pop that in there. Okay, and there you have it. So you'll notice that the LED is again white, and I didn't even have to press the button for it to turn on. So this wire did not come with, obviously, with the charger. I'm using an external phone wire, but again, ideal if you want to charge it, and with a long wire, of course, because these small wires are useless. I mean, they don't even pack a punch in terms of length, so there's no need for that. And again, this will need to go through a full charge in order to see how well it works. So there you have it, guys. And then on the bottom here is just information about the battery again. But other than that, yes, it is very light, but from a size point of view, quite well. It's quite good. It's bulky in terms of like it fits in the palm of your hand, which is good. But if you've got like a very thin smartphone, you'd ideally want the phone to to rest underneath your phone, and it comes in the capacity of your hand. But I feel as though this will be slightly bulky. But yeah, this is the Mophie 2600 milliamp portable battery charger. So here are the batteries together side by side. You'll notice that the Altigo battery, which is a silver one, is huge in comparison to the small Mophie one. But I assume the reason why for this side is because of the larger battery, and of course this one having the small. So I will be probably using this one, because to put it to the full test, because it is a 20K battery, whereas this one I may pass this on to my sister or brother depending on if they still want it. And I think in order for me to actually give a true reflection of how well these operate, I will need to put these to the test in the coming days. But this is the unboxing, guys, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope this gives you an insight of these two batteries and unboxing of it as well. So if you have enjoyed this video and it is useful for you, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you own these two battery chargers and if they're working out well for you. It may help the community. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.